good morning. We are in Hjälveland, I think it's called. There is, we're pretty close to the road. We didn't find the best camping spot of the trip so far, but it was good. We had a good view, as you saw in yesterday's vlog. We are heading to the ferry now, which is going to take us to Nesvik. From there we will continue the ride to Bergen. On the way there should be a couple of national parks. One of them is the Folgefauna National Park, which we definitely check out, because apparently there is some nice stuff up there. Yeah, finishing the breakfast, heading towards the ferry and continue the trip towards Bergen.
Waterfalls, Waterfall.
Hey, so we're at the Herdanger Fjord. It's beautiful here, a bit windy. A bit windy if you don't really hear what I'm saying. We're giving it luck again, our fishing. I just had something on there. I actually wanted to show, but I kept it in the water like it was tiny. It was tiny. It was like probably as small as the one from the first catch. So, well, right now I'm just gonna clean my bait.
No one gonna believe you, man.
I know, but it's true. Well, anyway, catching something feels good, and getting back at it.
Max is fighting.
There it goes again! Shit! It's going again!
Come on, man. Bring it home for the boys.
Fight you've just witnessed on camera was an actual fight, and we got out this about, I would say, 3.5 to 4 kilo.
What a monster.
Wels in German. I do not know the English name. This is definitely gonna feed us for a while. So I was just about to fill in my fish. It was Emil's time. We're having the second catch of the day, Emil!
Go on, poker. Wait.
Okay, hold it, Emil. Hold it, just hold it on the ground, Emil?
Yes.
Catch of the day number 2!
So quality first fish of the journey. Nice. Yes. Fuck yeah, let's kill it. Fuck yeah. So I got this fishy, first fish on the journey. Finally, mackerel. Max has got 4. He got his first big one just now, and I was like, fuck, when am I gonna get my first fish? And here it is. Ah, my baby boy. Sneaky. Hey man, you know what we're cooking today? We're cooking your fish, boy. So it's cod, lovely cod, surely the freshest cod you can find in the world. We don't know the size, obviously, but we're very happy with the fillets. Look at this one, for example. That's solid. How bad is that? It smells delicious. So so happy we finally got some quality sized fish. Yeah, let's try them out. Those are gonna be good.